What's the meaning of conveyor belt? Conveyor belt. Conveyor belt.
Conveyor belt. Conveyor belt. A conveyor belt is a mechanical apparatus used to transport goods and materials from one place to another. The belt is usually made of rubber, PVC, or other materials that are durable and flexible. The conveyor belt is powered by electric motors or other power sources, which drive the belt and move the materials along it. Conveyor belts are commonly used in manufacturing plants, warehouses, and other facilities to transport products and raw materials. They are also used in transportation systems such as airports and baggage handling facilities to move luggage and other cargo.